Lockley Vision Deadbolt Edition, PGD 798 Installation Guide. Installation generally takes less than 30 minutes. If you have any questions, please visit lockley.com/support or call our hotline at 669 500 8835 for help. To complete this installation, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a tape measure or ruler. Let's start now. Preparation. Remove any existing lock set from the door. Prep the door if necessary. Measure and confirm your door thickness is between 1 and 3/8 of an inch, 35 millimeters, to 2 inches, 50 millimeters. The cross bore hole must be 2 and 1/8 of an inch, 54 millimeters, diameter. The edge bore hole should be 1 inch, 25 millimeters, diameter. The back set should be 2 and 3/8 of an inch, 60 millimeters, or 2 and 3/4 of an inch, 70 millimeters. Adjust deadbolt and install. Measure the back set. The deadbolt comes set to 2 and 3/4 of an inch, 70 millimeters. Adjust length to 2 and 3/8 of an inch or 60 millimeters, if necessary. Push the crank to extend the deadbolt. Hold the metal plate and twist the deadbolt body clockwise until it snaps to 2 and 3/8 of an inch. Extend the deadbolt by inserting a flathead screwdriver into the slot and turning clockwise. Observe the correct position of the cable to ensure it is according to your door opening orientation, left or right swing, and back set size 60 millimeters or 70 millimeters. During installation, do not hammer the deadbolt and/or its metal plate to avoid damaging the built-in sensor. Make sure the crank is vertical. Make sure the wire cable smoothly passes through the latch hole. Secure with 2 K-screws. Installing exterior assembly, B. You might receive one of 2 versions of the product, one with the lock cylinder already installed, and one that needs the lock cylinder installed. Rest assured, both versions are of the same high quality and will not affect performance or usability. If you get the version with the lock cylinder already installed, you can skip this step. If you have the version that needs the lock cylinder installed, please do the following before installing the exterior assembly. Insert the lock cylinder into the cylinder hole of the exterior assembly. Tighten the cylinder screws clockwise with a screwdriver. Check the exterior assembly, B, alignment to door hole and deadbolt first. Peel film from adhesive strips. Make sure torque blade is in the vertical position with the deadbolt extended. Place assembly and torque blade through the deadbolt slot and guide connection cables through the cross bore hole under the deadbolt as shown. Complete mounting by aligning and securing until flush to exterior door surface. Installing interior assembly, G. Peel the paper layer off the adhesive strips. Guide connection cables through the hole. Align and secure mounting plate with adhesive strips. Insert and tighten by hand with 2 F screws located on the left and right of the blade. Check alignment and tighten with screwdriver until mounting plate is securely placed on door. Use the key to ensure deadbolt locks and unlocks smoothly, no binding or rubbing. When finished, leave deadbolt extended and remove the key. Plug the larger cable, X, coming through the mounting plate into Y of the interior assembly. Make sure that the plug is oriented correctly, matching the red side of the plug to the red side of the socket in the interior assembly. Connect A to B and screw tightly by hand. Then connect A1 to A2. Tuck cable under eyelet hooks and route to the right in interior assembly. Ensure the thumb turn is vertical. Place the interior assembly against the mounting plate and make sure the torque blade is inserted to the thumb turn shaft. Secure the interior assembly to the mounting plate with 2 H screws. Install batteries. With the door open and the deadbolt fully extended, insert 3 batteries only. Press and hold the program button. Continue to hold and install the 4th battery. The lock will automatically start self-check. Release program button once check starts. Once self-check completes, ensure the lock operates smoothly by manually locking and unlocking the door using the thumb turn on the interior assembly. Install remaining 4 batteries and battery cover. Secure it with screw on top. Install strike plate. Use the supplied door strike plate, L, which has the built-in door sensor magnet. If your door gap is larger than 5 millimeters, It is recommended to install strike spacer, P, to lessen the gap to ensure the normal operation of the door sensor. When installing the deadbolt and door strike, make sure the two red marks are aligned. Secure with two K-screws to complete the installation. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the installation of Lockley Vision Deadbolt Edition. To complete the full setup of video doorbell, live monitoring, and voice assistance, you would need to pair Lockley Vision with the Vision Connect hub included in the box. Download the Lockley app and register an account or log into your existing Lockley app account and add this new device. Carefully follow the step-by-step on-screen instructions.